Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you this huge project share of my Bash Your Stash kit number 3. So we are going to jump right in. I'm going to move this all out of the way so I can show you everything individually. Okay, so first things first is this gigantic mini album. So here's the size of my hand. I'll give it a measure for you. I do have a video up on how I decorated the front, so you can check that out. It's 8 inches by 6 inches, so I wanted it to be as big so that if you took out a whole the 6x8 hair pads, it could be the matting on the front. So on the side here I have this little dangle here. I made this little yarn rainbow myself. I have a tutorial on my channel, and then I just put this little ball on there. So this is what it looks like, and what I did was I used up a lot of the papers and then some of the bigger ephemera pieces. So I've got the papers here lined up with some sequins and just some there. This is a baby album. If you're wondering why there's a big empty space here, I'm putting the name of the baby, just not yet. And these beautiful flowers here. I think it looks so pretty, and here's a close-up of the little yarn bow. I will give you a very quick flip through in case you haven't seen the video where I decorate the front. The inside at the moment is just matted with paper. So it opens up like so, and I've got a big mat here, and this flips up. It's a card, and then they're pocket albums. So these come out and everything is stitched, as you can see on the matting here. Everything is stitched and stuck on. So this is a page here, simple, and then here we've got another flip up, and then this is a flip out with the pocket here, and then a cute little waterfall. I actually really like the waterfall. I think it turned out really cool. And then again another pull out here. That one's always really tight and I don't know why. A nice photo mat here with a flip out, and then again, so this one's cool. This is a shaker, as you can see, but so again it's a pocket, but this here is a shaker that you can also use as a pocket, so you can pull it out. That was inspired by Craft Purge with her mini album that she made, where she had, I think it was like a TV screen, and I wanted to do that. And then this one I'm also really proud of. So this is magnetized. This is just an idea I had, and then you pull this up and then down, and it has spaces for 6 photos on each. So again, down and then up, and they're all matted. So cool. So that is the mini album. Then next I have this pillow box. This is actually an SVG for the pillow box with the layering pieces if you're interested, but I just decorated it up with this paper. This word was actually sent to me, but the paper was not. And then it opens up, and on the inside I've put just some words. These are also SVGs if you're interested. And again, using the kit, the paper. I wanted to make like some springy kind of Easter words. So there's that one. I thought this one was just a fun, like the pillow box. It's just a cool way to package up some words. Then the first like big project that I made is another camera. So I actually made this camera about 2 months ago, and it's been sitting on my desk and I've never decorated it. So as you can see, it's got a shaker at the front for the little lens, and then I've just got a flower cluster, and it says do what you love what you do. And because it's a 3D project, so that can open up there and you can put goodies in, and then also the bottom comes out as a matchbox. This is a tutorial. I don't remember who the tutorial is from. Oh no, it's fallen off. I have to fix that up. Okay, all fixed up, and then I've made a bead dangle here. I wanted it to be nice and whimsical and kind of childish, because I just think that Garden Party is a very whimsical collection. So it's got a cute little rocking horse and then some lovely little beads. So this was the first 3D project. I think it's the only real 3D project in this project share. Well, besides the giant album. Then just a quick sequence mix, just using the paper here. I just wanted a sequence mix that matched the collection. This is one that I actually just made tonight. I think it's really cool. So it's just a little book here that you can see, and it's tied up here with this ribbon on here, and it just has a nice shaker and cluster. So you untie it like so, and then it's also got a belly band just to make sure it's doubly closed. And then if you open it up, ta-da, it is holding 3 shakers. So these shakers are from my Etsy store if you're interested in picking them up. They're just cut files, and then a love heart. It's a set, all 3 of them, if you're interested. And then the butterfly. But I just thought it'd be really cool that it's housed like this, and then you flip it out. I thought that was so cool. And then again, I just wanted a belly band to close it because I think that they're done. So I thought that was really fun, and it's just this paper here that I've just doubled up. And I've got lots of handmade embellishments. So this is the first handmade embellishment. I'll start with the embellishment. This is an SVG. It is a little basket, and I've just done it as a cute little flower basket. And how I've packaged it up is this is a scrapbooking page. It's a scrapbooking page, a page protector, and I've stitched it around, and I've added this bag topper. The bag topper is also on my Etsy. I've just been obsessed with using my own SVGs lately. I do have other people's, but I've been obsessed with using my own. So I've just laid it up here with this cup cut apart, and then the flower, and this deer is actually from the Gather chipboard, and amazing, which again, another word in my Etsy store. Pull that off, but I think this looks so cute. Imagine getting this. Oh, I would probably cry if I got something like this. I think it looks so pretty. I'm really proud of this. I was very proud of that. Then, because I was so proud of that one, I decided to make another one very similar. This is a wheelbarrow with lots of flowers in it. Again, SVG in my Etsy, and I printed another bag topper. Again, did a different word this time, the sunshine word. And then this is a die from AliExpress with a little swanny swan. It just looks so cool. I'm kind of obsessed with the way of packaging this, with like doing the wonky stitch, the zigzag stitch. Very cool. Then next, I did make another bag topper. This time I used one of those beautiful girls who's got the plant. This is a chipboard here that I've just done some zigzag stitching on, and another one of my bag toppers. Ooh, we're out of focus. There we go. In here is 2 little coffee cup embellishments. They are in another video. I just wanted to decorate them up like this, and here's the back of the bag topper. So you could just have it like that, and that would look so pretty, but I obviously had to decorate it up. And I decided to put this handmade with love wax seal on it. This wax seal is from one of my pen pals. I don't remember if it's from Heather or if it was from a new pen pal that I had. So next I've got some of my mini cake embellishments. These are in my Etsy. So I've just decorated them up with like a pom-pom bottom. And then these are stamen candles with a little bow. This time I decided to go with some resin flowers, and then some candles again, and then a bag topper. Just really simple. This one again, it's the same bag topper SVG, so you can see like the different ways that I've decorated it up. Put a word on, a little tag with another one of the girls, and I think it just looks really cute. Next, I've got my first ever embellishment box. So the front of it is like this. It's got this cute little cupcake. The cupcake is from my Etsy. I'm sorry if you're sick of hearing about it, but I have to plug myself so people know about it. And then I did a shaker here. This sequins mix I'm kind of obsessed with. It is just using sequins that I got from AliExpress with like little clay lemon pieces, but it looks so pretty. I'm also obsessed with using wax seals. I got sent a whole bunch from 2 pen pals, and they were in beautiful colors. That worked really well with Garden Party, so I decided to use them up. Again, as you can see, I've been obsessed with the zigzag stitching, adding that to kind of my layering pieces. I think it's just adding a nice extra detail. And then if we open it up, this is what the inside looks like. I do have a video on how I made this embellishment box if you're interested in a tutorial to kind of see how it goes. So I've included, you know, some yellow beads in different varieties, pink beads, some charms, some faux leather hearts and stars, These are some more charms, then some cabochon flowers. These bows were sent to me. I'm just not going to use them, so I'm sending them on. Then some tassels, and these adorable little piping bag charms. I think they're like so cute. I can't even use them up. And then I also just jammed in a sequins mix, so it's the same sequins mix, just divided by 2 so that it wouldn't fall out. So that's that one. Then next I've got some memory decks cards, and you guessed it, they're from my Etsy. When I'm doing my Etsy stuff, I have to make them myself so that I can see them, make sure they're working, and I just normally use my Basher Stash kit. So this is a teapot one, really simple. I just wanted this to be very simple. I wanted it to be garden party, so I went with a teapot. And then next I have this cute little dress. You could also have it as an apron, but a dress here with this, remember this, and with a cupcake. Super cute. And then next one is a little satchel backpack that when you open it, you can put some goodies inside. So I'm actually going to be putting in this here, which is why it's still on the desk. And then you just seal it up. It's a memory deck with things inside of it. How cool is that? It also has some straps, but I'm quite proud of this one. Then Lucky Last is just a packaging idea, which is this little box. I've made one of these before. I normally just chuck the kind of random like store-bought goodies just to kind of package them up in a cute way. So it's got some faux, not faux stitching, it's real stitching, zigzag stitching around the side, and I didn't make it the best, it's very wonky, but you've got a good inch, sorry, a good half an inch, I think, a little over half an inch, so 3/4 of an inch of room to chuck everything in there, and then I just laid it up really simply here. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this project share of all of these, well, if I do say so myself, beautiful products that I've been working on and handmade goodies that I've been working on, and stay tuned to see more of what I'm making. If you're interested in getting any of these, you can check out my Etsy for the cut files. Thanks for watching. Bye!